Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install UFT on a Windows machine. So in order to do that, let's open a browser and type www.microfocus.com. Click free trials and search UFT. And then click try button. So you're gonna open this window. You're gonna have to fill up this information: first name, last name, a valid email address, password, phone number, country, company name, your role, zip code, and check the checkbox. After that, click start free trial. Once you do that, you're going to take you to another page, and also it will send you an email where you can download Microfocus EFT from Microfocus website. Okay, so in order to do that, I'm going to log into my Gmail account. Okay, click next. Okay. So let's see, this is the email I got, okay, from Microfocus. Click on the email ID and then here click sign in button, and then I'm gonna have to log into this account, right? By the way, this is the password you need to enter when you register on the Microfocus registration screen. So from there it takes you to this page, and this is the UFT download option. I click on the download button, and so these are the couple of options. I would choose EFT 14.52 DVD. This is the current version, by the way. If you try to install after 6 months, it may be different version number. Okay, so as of now, this is the current version. Click on the link. It will open this download option. I would save it to a particular location. And I'm going to save downloads folder. Okay, so as you can see, I downloaded already. So for your case, you can select any of the folder on your machine and click save button. Since I already downloaded, I want to save it. Click cancel. Okay, and this download will take about 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, this is what you're gonna do. I'm gonna close all the browsers I don't need. Okay, and then I'll go to my folder and right click and unzip. Here, extract to here. Okay, so the unzip process is almost done. So Almost done. This maybe another minute, I would say. So after the installation is done, you can tell that this is zip file and this is a folder. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna have to click on the UFT folder, and then in that folder you'll see a setup file. Setup file is the one where you used to install UFT. Okay, so in your case, wherever you install, you need to go to the folder and then find the setup exe file. So double click on the setup exe file. Once you click on the setup, you need to select the unified functional testing setup option. Click on that menu, then then okay, then you click on the OK button. There's a couple of options here they're going to select. You need to click on the OK button, and okay, so it's gonna open the window. You don't have to do anything on this window. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. And after that, click next button. All right. Select I accept terms in the license agreement. Click next. And these are a couple of things since it is a free version. Okay, so but if you guys want, you can select Java add-in option and .NET. If you want, you can download Oracle too. It doesn't hurt. And then click next button, and I would say click install button. Okay, so it is almost done. Almost done. Okay. All right. So you don't have to read any log file. Click Finish button. Okay, and then close this window. And how do you know it is installed successfully or not? You can see Micro Focus Unified Functional Testing icon on your desktop. Okay, that's all one place you can see. Also, you can go to Start, and I believe it is installed on HP software folder. Right, right here. Micro Focus Unified Testing. You can launch from here, or you can launch from here. Double click on it. And then it can give you install license option, just click continue. All right. So if you install UFT, they give you 90 days of trial version, 90 days. So it's good. For now, I would uncheck all of this except web. Okay, and click OK button. Right, congratulations. If you can see this window, means you have successfully installed UFT on your machine. Okay, and click File New Test. So I'll talk about this in my next video. This video is only to download and install UFT on your machine. Thank you, everyone.